Hi. So this is about my summer with Beyond Housing. Um, so to start off, Beyond Housing's Beyond Housing's mission is as follows. So they began in 1975. They are based in the North St. Louis community, and they help people find quality housing, childcare, education, health, jobs, financial services, etc. Um, it's been a great summer working with them. They're a nonprofit organization and they help people in the community create a sustainable lifestyle. So, my role with Beyond Housing was to compile a directory of elected officials. And right now, I'm currently working on conducting community surveys to better gauge what the community needs and to help um, the community receive more grants from the government by knowing exactly what people are looking for from their community. I've attended numerous meetings, whether that be with the staff at Beyond Housing and also community members. Um, some challenges that I've faced are definitely coming into a new space. It can be kind of awkward sometimes. You don't really know what your role is right off the bat. Um, and learning how to ask questions in a new space was something that challenged me because I never wanted to seem like a burden. Um, but as time went on, I definitely have become way more comfortable asking questions and that sort of thing. One of my, um, I don't know, I put this under challenges, but it wasn't necessarily a challenge. More like a turning point was when I went to a diversity and inclusion conference, and this really helped me think through issues of racism and how to be vocal about it as a white woman. What I'm proud of is getting to know the St. Louis community more, and building more relationships with people in the community, and obviously helping the people who are above me, because I did definitely some menial tasks that would have just taken up their time and wasn't something that they really needed to be doing. Um, but yeah, it was really eye-opening working in the community because I've obviously been living in St. Louis for the past school year, and I feel like I know way more about it through these past 6 weeks than I did for my whole freshman year. So when it comes to my identity and Beyond Housing, I definitely have a race and class privilege that affected my interaction with the community that I was stepping into and definitely changed the way I did my work and how I went about it. Overall, I think it was a really great internship. I really enjoyed it, and I'm so glad I had the opportunity to do it.